What is up guys, Selamat Hari Raya. I'm Stuart from Babylon Vertical Farms. We're back at our farm, the Garage KL, and this is Growing with Farmers, Episode 3. Today is our Raya special. We're going to be learning how to grow Daikon, also known as Japanese radish, and it's wasabi flavoured. The colour is symbolic of our Duit Raya and Malaysian ketupat. Here are some of the things we're going to need to learn how to grow a daikon. As usual, we're going to be using our 2-tray system. We've got our bottom tray to hold the water when we water our plants. We've got a top tray with holes that spoke through so that the roots can reach through it. Next we have is our proprietary soil blend. We're going to use this to grow our organic microgreens. After that, we've got about 10 grams of our daikon seeds, also known as Japanese radish. And in addition to that, we've got our usual things like our garden sprayer. You can use a normal spray bottle you have at home, like something you use when you iron your clothes, for example. Alright guys, the first step we're going to do is we're going to place some soil inside our trays. We'll need roughly about 2 handfuls of soil. After you've placed 2 handfuls of soil in the tray, we want to spread it around and pat it down to make it a bit more compact before we seed the daikon seeds on the soil. Now we're going to pat down and spread the soil like this on the 4 corners of the tray. Next, we're going to take our seeds, and like in previous episodes, we're going to salt base style the seeds all over the soil. So after we're done placing our seeds on the soil, what we want to do is spread the seeds around so that it covers all the areas, any dead zones that you have along the soil. It's fine if you get some seeds underneath the soil a bit, it's fine. Daikon's a very nice and structured plant, and it should poke through the soil as it grows. After we've seeded our tray of microgreens, we want to water it. Using our garden sprayer, we want to pump it with enough pressure. Use enough force. Imagine all the machis and pakciks asking you when you're going to get married. Although during this pandemic right now, well, hard luck for them, that's not going to happen. After you're done pumping enough pressure, you want to spray it like this. Just a light mist all over the soil. And that's about it. 5 to 10 seconds and you're done. What you want to do is the right consistency you want to achieve. You want to make sure after you've watered it, you press it down just a bit to make sure that no water rises up. You don't want to spray it with too much water, just slightly mist it. Now after you've done watering your microgreens, you want to take an empty tray, place it on top of your microgreens, and then put a light weight on it. Now you can leave it like this in a nice well-ventilated room for about 3 to 4 days, and then after that, for another 2 to 3 days, when the plants are germinated already, you want to leave it under a bright light for roughly 6 to 8 hours at each day. This is a tray of grown daikon microgreens. After the 4th day, when you start putting it under the light, what you want to do is take out the top tray. You can see the roots growing underneath here already. Take a jug of water and then water the bottom tray lightly. So you want to put about this much water in the bottom tray. This is roughly going to be about 100 to 120 milliliters of water. And after that, place the top tray up on top and leave it back under the light. You're good to go. That's all for today folks. This is Daikon Microgreens. Happy Covid Mubarak 2020 and thank you for growing with us. Alright guys, tang time. I hope everyone's Raya was great. Please leave a comment letting us know how your Raya was like, especially when you couldn't balik kampung. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I think there should be a box over here. Just click that.